Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to change a cabin air filter on a 2021, 2022, 2023 Toyota Sienna. Alright, let's get started. You go to the glove box, drop the glove box down, and what you'd see is two little catch here that are supported like that. So just pull like that side and do the same on the other side, and then it'll drop further and your shocks will catch it. Now all you have to do is push this out and it'll completely drop down. It could come out of it or it may be hanging down there. Now you can see the cabin air filter is right here. In order to take this out, what we do is, see these tabs? Pinch them and gently pull it forward. Comes right out. And inside is your cabin air filter. Here's the tricky part. You see the arrow pointing up on the plastic? That is just for the plastic. But when you get the new air filter and put it in there, make sure the airflow direction on that air filter arrow is pointing from top to bottom. That's how the fan is blowing. Now, if you look at the filter itself, it's dirty, so you need a new one. I'll put an Amazon link on the description. Make sure to check that out. And you install it just like how you took it out. You put it back in and make sure the arrow on the plastic is pointing bottom up, but the filter top to bottom. We start reassembling things back on. We're going to put the lid back. See the up direction on the lid right here. So we're going to clip these sides in there and we just press it and click. That's it. Air filter changed. Now for the glove box, all we got to do is mate these hinges, press them in, put them in place, and as you can see, squeeze on the side a little bit and it'll make a catch on both sides. Now come to the shock, reinstall the shocks, and there you go. Check the operation a couple of times. Perfect. Air filter changed and glove box installed back on. And that's how you change a cabin air filter. And it's going to cost you just about $15 compared to going to a dealer and changing this for $50, $100. You could do this yourself. All right, leave a comment or hit a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch the engine air filter change in my channel next.